What's going on, everybody? My name is Arun. Welcome to my channel. This series is a series of tutorials on Linux operating systems, and in this tutorial we will be looking at creation and deletion of files and folders. Alright, so let's get started. So by default, if you are using any Linux distribution, you can just create a folder or create a document by right clicking on the file manager or on the desktop and go about with it. That's the so-called the windowish way to go about with. However, there is an alternate way, and this is by far the most Linux or Unix way possible. That's using the terminal. So I'm going to just keep this, increase the size a bit, maybe a little more, possibly a little more. There, that should do it. All right. So if you remember, this is the terminal that we saw last time, and we can use pwd to look at the location. All right, and we can go one level up or down. We can go to any location by using the cd command. So let me go to downloads like that, and we can go one level out and by using this dot command, and we can use ls command to list down all the files and folders. Perfect. Now that's a short review of what we saw in the previous video. Now let's create some files. Now let's talk about text documents. First of all, creating a text document is rather simple. If you don't have any, alright, all you need to do is just type this command touch and then type the file name. Let's say I want to create a Python program, a simple hello world, a simple C program, let's say. So I'm going to type touch hello.c. Alright, so and press enter. Alright, now looks like nothing happened, but I list them out. You see, earlier this file was missing, now this file is present. And for cross confirmation, if I were to rearrange this, you can see this file is actually present. You know what, I think I'm going to keep it like that so that you can visually verify it yourself. Alright, so that's how you go about with creating files. Text, that's a text file. To remove this text file, there is a simple command rm. rm stands for remove. Simply said, all you have to do is just type the command and then the file name and press enter. And that's it. Now if you list them out, it's not here. And sure enough, if you look at on the left hand side in the file manager, even there that file is gone. Now that's how you create files. Next, let's create and manage directories. Alright, so for that the command is not touch, it's called as mkdir. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, the folders in Linux are called as directories. So you need the command mkdir, which is the make directory command, to create the directories. Alright, so just type mkdir and then the directory name. So let me create something like hello. Okay, I'm being too too creative with the name, so let me keep it like that and press enter. And if you type ls, sure enough you see a folder, and now here also see a folder. I can go inside and come out of it and like that. Alright, now let's say I want to create multiple folders. Let's say all I have to do is I just have to type mkdir the names. So let's say there's a hello1, hello2, hello3, so on and so forth, and press enter, and there you go. All these folders are created over here, and you can type ls just for confirmation. Cool. Now sometimes you might want to remove these folders. Alright, and that is fairly simple. You can use rm command, not rm, you just type rmdir. Alright, and then you can type hello and then all the folders you want, whichever one you want, you just followed by the number and stuff, I mean the values. So I'm going to delete folder hello and hello1 and press enter, and there you go. As you can clearly see, it's gone. So let me clear this up. So that's how we delete the folders. Cool. Now there's a little bit of a difficulty. There will be a little difficulty here. What I'm going to do is let me go to folder hello3. Alright, now let me create a few files. So I'll say touch, let's say hello world.c. Let's say I want to write a hello world program in C. Also, let's say I want to write a hello, what am I typing? Hello world in Python with an extension py. And there you go, there are 2 files. Alright, now I come out one level out, there you go. And now what I'm going to do is, let me say I remove this folder hello3. It says removed RMDIR, failed to remove hello3, directory not empty. So that's kind of a point you have to keep in mind. If a folder is empty, you can use RMDIR, the remove directory command, to delete the folder. On the other hand, if the folder is not empty, first thing is that RMDIR command will throw you an error. So to rectify this, there are 2 ways. One, you go into the folder and remove everything inside. So if you want to remove everything, you can just put the while symbol, the asterisk. Okay, that's the while character. So that will take everything inside that, go away. It will remove everything. If I press enter, now watch, there's nothing. So this is a way to remove all the files as well. Okay, now if I go one level out, okay, now I type RMDIR hello3, and that the folder is gone. Cool. Now there is another way possible. Let me go to hello2, and then let me create a few files. Say touch hello1.c, hello1. Let's say Fortran file f95, any file, any text file, doesn't matter. Alright, now let me come one level out. Okay, and now I have to go inside this folder to delete all of that. That's an alternate way. Just type rm and then put this command put this flag called as rf, and then type hello2 and press enter, and there you go, it will delete everything inside that folder. So what does this r and f mean is that these 2 are flags, or a tag, or a command option, so to speak. What it does is that this r stands for recursive and f stands for forceful. In the sense, if there is an empty folder, even then this f flag will tell you to delete. And this r stands for recursive, so that if you have a folder if you have a directory inside a directory, alright, even all the contents and the subdirectories, everything will be removed because of this r command over here. So that's r option over here. So that's how you delete a folder, a directory. Alright, so I think I'll stop with this video because this topic is pretty simple. I'll stop with this, and in the next video I'll talk about copying and pasting of folders and files, directories and files, and we'll see what we can do after that. Alright, so that's all I have for you all in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time in another interesting video. Till then, take care.